I want to talk a little bit about the differences between investing and trading. Traders have a certain advantage over investors. Problem is most people are buy and hold investors, otherwise known as buy and hope investors. Problem is when you hit a bear market or a sizable correction, it can put an investor at a disadvantage, whereas a trader can really take advantage of that. So if you were an investor, let's say you bought it round about the 8,000 odd, this COVID crash might not look like a lot, but it's about a 20% drop. Had some sizable corrections along the way, held it all the way through this amazing bull market. And right now, of course, we're in a bear market, down about 38%. The price is down to 11,000, 12,000. You would still be up, but you'll have given back a lot of profit. A trader has the advantage of being able to sell short during these corrections. It's a 20% or a bit more than that correction. Some really good shorting opportunities there. You would be getting in again over here and you'd have all that upside to come. So you can see this advantage of a trader being able to sell short these corrections. And of course, the big advantage comes when you enter into a bear market like this. And all this time here, there are opportunities to be selling short the rallies. A trader could get out of the long position and be going into a selling short phase, while a buy and hold investor or a buy and hope investor has to sit through this massive bear market that we're seeing at the moment. The trader would be making profits on the short side by selling short. And another big advantage here is that when the market does eventually turn to the upside, trader has an advantage of getting in much lower down and making profits. By the time it gets back to that level, he's already showing a good profit. Whereas investors having to recoup all these giving back of profits over there just to get back to where he was before the bear market. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not against investing. In fact, I invest and trade as well. But if you are going to invest, one needs to know how to do it properly. And one of the ways, of course, would be to know when to get out of the bigger trends of the market. And of course, there are many different techniques on doing that. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.